Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your CapCut mobile app. So to do so, you're just going to simply select the settings button, which is like this gear icon on the top right corner of your screen here, and then you're going to see there's like an app language tab. You're just going to select it and you're going to select the language that you want, for instance Bahasa Indonesia. Then you're going to press done, and then it's going to set the language to the language that you want it to be in. If you want to change it back, it's just select the gear icon again and select English. It's like the third one, so make sure you keep that in mind, then just press done here. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.